Hello, Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. At kung bago kayo rito, welcome din po kayo. Please subscribe, like, share my videos, and leave me a comment kung nakaresonate kayo. Thank you. So, Pisces, first message ninyo is planning. Now is the time to lay down the foundations for your future. Okay, financial gains are more than likely. So, panahon ngayon, para sa pag-lay down ng inyong future, maybe laying a solid foundation in family and relationship siguro, or in your money, career, and finances, yung mga ganyan. At meron din swerte dadating sa inyo dito, no? Pagdating sa pera, kasi merong financial gain, siguro meron ditong ROI, may return of investment, or baka meron ditong bonus, pay raise, mga ganyan na paparating for some of you. So, good luck. Reinvent yourself, okay? So, transformation is taking place in your life. And sabi dito, enjoy the new lease of life. So, feeling ko dito magkakaroon kayo ng moves to change, to change the course of your life. At sisimulan mo yung pagbabagong yan, no, sa sarili mo. You are going to start changing, you are siguro going to start changing your, tawag dito, yung behavior, pag-uugali, perspective, mga ganyan, no? So, we also have sexuality. Sabi dito, existing relationships could find a new passion and heighten sexual attraction. Opportunities for marriage as well and good family life are strong, but if single, beware of temptation, that could lead to trouble. A child also will also bring great joy, sorry. So baka ang iba sa inyo welcoming a new baby, or maybe you are focusing on your more time ngayon sa pamilya mo, kaya mai-enjoy mo din ngayon yung mga anak ninyo kung meron na kayong mga anak. Maaari din na magkakaroon dito ng proposal, marriage proposal ng iba. Kaya po pwedeng meron talaga dito magpapakasal, or po pwede rin na yung kung meron ka ng existing relationship, then ah, maaari, no, na mas magiging closer kayo, mas magiging romantic kayo with each other, mas magiging sweeter kayo with each other, no? Ikaw at ng person mo. Kaya, good for you. So, by the way, maraming salamat for subscribing. And if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe na kayo. And also, maraming salamat for those of you who are not skipping the ads. Malaking bagay po yan sa akin. And also, please click the join button sa baba ng video kung gusto po ninyo na mag-join sa membership. Okay? So, you're the peanut butter to my jelly. Oh, this is so sweet, Pisces. Talaga naman, parang made in heaven. Kumbaga, ang inyong relasyon. Parang sa yung romantic relationship, parang hindi ka kompleto kung wala siya, 'di ba? And vice versa. So parang gano'n ang ganap dito, kumbaga hindi siya parang ikaw yung kanyang mga kamay, or ikaw yung kanyang mga paa, 'di ba? So parang hindi buo, hindi siya buo kung wala ka, parang gano'n. So ang sweet naman. So I need space, overwhelmed, boundaries, retreat. So for some of you, maaaring overwhelmed kayo sa mga nangyayari sa ngayon in your life, depende sa inyong sitwasyon. It could be related to relationship, it could be related to trabaho, to your careers, or pamilya. So, depende sa inyong sitwasyon. But definitely, what you really need right now is for you to step back muna sa kung ano man itong sitwasyon na to, na parang doon kayo na overwhelm. Okay? So, pahinga muna. Okay? Give yourself a break. Time out ka muna from that. So, yeah, tama yan, no? Na parang, ito, you are surrounding yourself. You are going to surround yourself with nature. So, that's really a very good thing to do. Kasi when you are spending outdoors, no, in nature, alam mo, napakalaki ng epekto nito, lalo-lalo na sa isip natin, sa damdamin natin. Kasi, nature spirits are very therapeutic. That's very healing. Napakalaki nagagawa, no, sa atin ng nature spirits. At relaxing siya, 'di ba? Kaya nga pagka ganyan 'no, yung gagawin ninyo, sasandal kayo sa puno, uupo lang kayo sa ground. At maganda nga 'no, if you're going to do this, na wala kayong sapatos, walang medyas, as in yung barefoot ninyo, nakaapak lang talaga diyan sa grass, sa lupa, and pumikit kayo, mag-tune in kayo sa kung ano lang yung mag-tune in kayo diyan sa paligid ninyo, mararamdaman ninyo diyan 'no, na parang sobrang mare-relax kayo. Parang sinisipsip ni Mother Gaia, sinisipsip ng lupa yung stress sa katawan mo. It's very relaxing, it's very therapeutic. Subukan ninyo 'yan kung meron kayong pagkakataon. And also when you are spending outdoors, lalo-lalo na sa mga panahon ngayon, make sure na yung unang-una din ninyong i-consider is your safety. Okay? Make sure na if you are going somewhere, no, outdoors, kailangang isipin nyo muna yung inyong safety. Alright? At Pisces also, ang feeling ko dito, baka kailangan na ninyo na mag-impose kumbaga ng boundaries, ng healthy personal boundaries, kasi maaaring sa sobrang bait ninyo, sa sobrang matulungin ninyo, sa sobrang compassionate ninyo, maaaring naaabuso na kayo ng mga tao. At maaaring hindi kayo nagkakalakas ng loob na mag-say no. You've been always saying yes siguro to someone, and sometimes kailangan mo din na matuto kang mag-say no, matuto kang maglimita 'no, sa kanila, lalo-lalo na kung alam mong inaabuso ka na, okay. So, maaring ngayon 'yan ang kailangan mo ding gawin. And healing, self-care, when you are spending time with nature as well, napakaganda rin talaga niyan 'no, lalo-lalo na kung kunyari magme-meditate kayo surrounding nature, yung 'di ba kung meron kayong access sa park and you will be safe to be in a park, napakasarap umupo lang sa grass, barefoot ka, mag-meditate ka, ay nako, sobrang gaan ng magiging pakiramdam ninyo afterwards. So maybe ang iba sa inyo din you really need healing. Maaaring meron kayong mga physical ailments siguro na pinagdadaanan. You are suffering from whatever kind of physical ailment. So, maybe you are now taking care of yourself, extra care of yourself talaga, kasi alam mo no, na kailangan mong tulungan ng sarili mo in order for you to be healed. Hindi lang yung gamot na iniinom mo, but also you need to take an effort, 'di ba? Para matulungan mong sarili mo na mag-heal. And also, baka emotional burden. Baka meron kayong mga emotional baggages. So, you may need also emotional healing at this time. But itong maganda, kasi feeling ko dito, you're also making an effort, 'di ba? Para maghilom na ang mga sugat sa puso ninyo. So, good luck. Thank you for watching Love and Light. Namaste.